Mwaka muhituku gutiri murutwo oro nomwe wari na grade ya A thiini wa gicigo kia mbunge kia Ndaragwa kigeranio-ini gia KCSE gicunji kinene kia arutwo makinyita gatagati ka D na D-, undu uria utumite anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo gucokanirira niguo kumenya uria mangiambatirie gikiro kia mathomo gicigo-ini kiu.
Ni hakoretwo hena gathina tondu ona aciari mamakite o enyewe ni ati Ndaragwa ng'ima constituency ng'ima mwaka igeranio igekwo na tukaga even a single A tukarigwo niki na ciana citu tingegu.
Kuhotoma gwa gikiro kia mathomo ni undu utumite mumbunge wa gicigo kiu George Gachagua guthagania mucemanio na arugamiriri a mathukuru ma cekondarĩ akiuga bata munene wa kunanira njung'wa ni kwaraniria uria mangika kugarurira maumirira maya.
Ni turonire ari wega tucemanie twirane uria tuku improve performance ya Ndaragwa iria koretwo yithi muno na ni turorania ciuria turorania ciuria tuoria ni atia tungika nigetha performance ino ithie na iguru.
We are also equally committed to empowering our students so that they excel irrespective of their level of entry, so that at least they have a future.
We have been employed to bring forth the children we have been given to add value to them. We normally look at the entry behavior of the children we are given.
Augite ni undu wake hakuona arutwo ingi matirahota kuingira university na ma-college toria uri wendi wa aciari aingi. Mamwe ma mathina maria macangiire maumirira maya, Gachagua augite ni kugia na namba nene ya arutani gukorwo magikia mahoya ma guthamio kuma mwena ucio ni undu wa itumi ngurani.
Arutani kuhura transfer ogoka ikarathi ku nini agathie agoka ikarathi ku nini agathie ni ku affectaga ciana muno. Mwarimu anginyita mwana amuthomithie akoragwo amenyete weakness ya mwana agathia mutwarite wega aka improve mwana ucio akahituka wega. No riria rucio arakora mwarimu ungi na arimu mareka ati maretha transfer ni undu wa hardship.
There was something about hardship allowance because Ndaragwa constituency is a hardship zone, sir. We have been reading how it has gone on in Parliament, and we are praying by the end of today you'll give us way forward on how far that policy is going to take place.
Gukiri uguo anyiti itemi a githomo meranire kunyitanira niguo kugarurira maumirira maya itemi-ini ria kwambatiria gikiro kia mathomo mwena ucio. Ngiribotra Inooro TV kuma Ndaragwa guku ni kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.